In this video, let me see the important programming topics asked in TR round in Wilmy M3. After completing the assessment round, you will be selected for the TR round. In TR round, they will be asking questions from programming concepts. In this video, let me see what are all the very important programming concept you should learn for TR round in order to crack the round. First, you should learn the OOPS concepts in Java or Python. These are the OOPS concepts like inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction, class, and object. You want to prepare both practical as well as the theory. Sometimes they will be asking to write a code to implement the polymorphism. So prepare both theory as well as the practical. The next concept is data structure concept. They will be asking to write program for stack, queue, types of queue will be asked as a theoretical question, circular queue, priority queue, DQ, then linked list and its operations, types of linked list and its operation. These are the important questions they will be asking. Sometimes they will be asking implement stack using queue. You want to prepare for practical as well as the programming time. Prepare programming for all this thing. My suggestion is to choose Python because using Python you can implement data structure very simple. You can do operations also in a simple manner. Then tree concept, they will be asking tree data structure, tree traversals, binary tree, full binary tree, AVL tree, binary search tree, complete binary tree, balanced binary tree. These are the things they will be asking to code for algorithms. They will be asking write a code to binary tree. They will be asking like this. So prepare coding for these topics in tree concept. Graph concept, they will be asking graph, BFS, breadth first search, spanning tree, adjacent matrix, adjacency lists, and DFS. These are the things they will be asking from graph. So practice coding for these topics. Then they will be asking some of the sorting algorithms. These are the important sorting algorithms like bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort, merge sort, heap sort, counting sort, bucket sort, shell sort. These are the important sorting algorithms you can prepare for. Then searching algorithm, they will be asking linear search and binary search concepts. Mostly these concepts will be of programming type only. They will be asking to code in Java or Python. Sometimes the interviewer will be asking to choose your own language. In such condition, you can choose Python because Python is very simple to implement these data structure concepts. Then they will be asking DBMS concepts, RDBMS concepts. Then they will be asking MySQL concepts like DDL, DML, DQL, DCL, TCL. DDL stands for data definition language. DML stands for data manipulation language. DQL stands for data query language. DCL stands for data control language. TCL stands for transaction control language. And they will be asking classes, aggregate functions, joins. Joins is the important topic. Most of them will be asking. And constraints. Practice all these concepts. Just download the MySQL workbench and practice these concepts. They will be asking to write queries in just in text editor. They will be asking, don't asking in any workbench. So prepare your queries. Mostly they will be asking queries to implement such things like find the second largest salary in the salary table. Like that only they will be asking the questions from MySQL. So prepare all the queries. I'll be giving the link in the description box. This is the best website to prepare DCA, Programize website. I'll be giving the link in the description box. You can use the link to prepare for DCA, data structures and algorithms. And this is the Telegram link. If you have any queries, you can ask me via the Telegram. I will be giving the Telegram link in the description. And also I have made other videos like important programs asked in TR round in Wilmy M3. I'll be giving the links in the description. You can use the link to prepare for Wilmy M3 TR round as well as the automated video round. I'll be giving those links in the description. Use those links to prepare. And if you want to know latest updates about the jobs, follow me via the Telegram as well as the YouTube channel. All the best for your TR round.